Welcome! Today, we're diving into how to capture only game audio in OBS. This ensures your audience hears exactly what they need to. First, open OBS. Go to Settings, found in the lower right corner. This is where the magic begins. In the Settings menu, click on Audio. Here, you'll manage your audio devices and levels. Now, locate Desktop Audio Device. Set this to your game audio device, while muting other unwanted audio sources. Don't forget to apply your changes. Click Apply and then OK to finalize your audio settings. Now you're ready. Start your game and check the audio levels. Your streams will sound great, capturing only the game audio. Remember, audio quality can make or break your content. Happy streaming! For more tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more tutorials for you. Want to dive deeper? Check out our guide on mixing audio channels in OBS. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on OBS and streaming. Check the description for links to resources and our community. We appreciate your support. See you next time, and happy gaming!